Good morning, my dear students. This is Jet Transforms, Lecture 7. We have to find inverse Jet transform of given function. Already one problem was over. Problem 2. Find the inverse Jet transform of Z by Z square plus 11Z plus 24. Solution. First you write uz is equal to Z by Z square plus 11Z plus 24. uz by Z is equal to 1 by Z square plus 11Z plus 24. Factors Z plus 3 into Z plus 8. A by Z plus 3 plus B by Z plus 8. How to get A value by using shortcut method? A denominator 0 when Z is equal to minus 3. So 1 by minus 3 plus 8. Don't put here Z is equal to minus 3. Put here 1 by minus 3 plus 8. 1 by 5. How to get B value? We get denominator 0 when Z is equal to minus 8. So 1 by, instead of Z you write minus 8 plus 3. Don't put here minus 8 plus 8 0. Don't put. దీని కింద ఉన్న దాంట్లో పెట్టకూడదు అది రూల్ ఇక్కడ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. ఇది మైనస్ 1/5 అయింది. సో యూ జెడ్ బై జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ 1/5 బై జెడ్ ప్లస్ 3 బి మైనస్ 1/5 బై జెడ్ ప్లస్ 8. సో యూ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు cross multiplying 1 by z plus 3 minus 1/5 z by z plus 8. Z inverse of uz is equal to 1/5 z inverse of z by z minus 3 minus 1/5 z inverse of z by z minus of minus 8. Z minus of minus 8. This is un is equal to 1/5 minus 3 whole power n minus 1/5 minus 8 whole power n. Z inverse z by z minus a formula a power n. Using this formula we get this. Problem 3. Find z inverse of 3z square plus z by 5z minus 1 into 5z plus 2. Solution. uz is equal to 3z square plus z by 5z minus 1 into 5z plus 2. You common z and taking this side. We have 3z plus 1 by this. Use partial fractions methodology. A by 5z minus 1 plus b by 5z plus 2. Find z inverse of 3z square plus z by 5z minus 1 into 5z plus 2. uz is equal to 3z square plus z by 5z minus 1 into 5z plus 2. You common z and take this side. uz by z is equal to 3z plus 1 by 5z minus 1 into 5 plus 2. A by 5z minus 1 plus b by 5z plus 2. How to get a value? Denominator 0 when z is equal to 1/5. Put a 1 by z is equal to 1/5 except in this 3 into 1/5 plus 1, 5 into 1/5 plus 2. Taking LCM and simplifying 8/15. Now we have to get by a shortcut method b value. When it is 0, denominator 0, when z is equal to minus 2/5. So put z is equal to minus 2/5 here and here. Don't put here. So simplifying we get 1/15. So uz by z is equal to 8/15 by 5z minus 1 plus 1/15 by 5z plus 2. Therefore uz is equal to cross multiplying. We get this. You common, we have to get z minus a form. That's why you common 5 here. We get 75. Z inverse of this one 1/75. Z inverse of this one. Z inverse of uz is equal to, we get this step taking inverse Z transform, inverse on both sides. Z inverse of uz is equal to un. This is a value 1 by 5. So z by z, z inverse z by z minus a power n formula 1 by 5 whole power n plus 1 by 75 into this is a here minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 whole power n. So find z inverse of z square plus 3z by z minus 5 into z plus 2. So you write your uz is equal to z square plus 3z by z minus 5 into z plus 2. You common z here, z plus 3 by z minus 5 into z plus 2. You take this z this side according to procedure. Z plus 3 by z minus 5 into z plus 2. A by z minus 5 plus b by partial fractions method. Shortcut method. How to get a value when the denominator is 0. If the denominator is 0, when z is equal to 5, put z is equal to 5 here. Don't put here. Don't put here. A denominator is this. Don't put here. Z is equal to 5 here. We get 8 by 7. We get 8 by 7 A value. How to get B value? Shortcut way. Denominator is 0 when z is equal to minus 2. So put minus 2 plus 3. Don't put here. Don't put z equal to minus 2 here. B denominator. So minus 2 minus 5. So minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7. Therefore uz by z is equal to a 8 by 7 by z minus 5 plus b minus 1 by 7 by z plus 2. Cross multiplying uz is equal to 8 by 7 z by z minus 5 minus 1 by 7 z by z plus 2. Taking z inverse on both sides, z inverse uz is equal to 8 by 7 z inverse of z by z minus 5 minus 1 by 7 z inverse of z by z minus of minus 2. Z plus 2 can be written as z minus of minus 2. This is un 8 by 7. This is using the formula z inverse z by z minus a formula a power n. So 5 power n minus 1 by 7. This is minus 2 whole power n. This is minus 2 whole power n. Problem 5. Find the inverse z transform of z by z minus 1 into z minus 2. Solution uz is equal to z by z minus 1 into z minus 2. You take z this side. uz by z is equal to 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2. You write a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. Now how to get a value? By shortcut method. Denominator a denominator is 0 when z is equal to 1. Put here. Z is equal to, don't put here. You put here 1 minus 2. Close this z minus 1 and put z is equal to 1. 1 by 1 minus 2. So we get minus 1. How to get b value? Otherwise you do intermediate method. No, don't worry. You do intermediate method. So you write so many steps. Okay, no problem. B denominator is 0 when z is equal to, put here in left side, except in this 2 minus 1. Z is equal to 2 minus 1. We get 1. We get 1. You do partial fractions as you like. Problem 6. Find the inverse z transform of z plus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 2. So uz is equal to z plus 1 by z square minus 3z plus 2. Z plus 1 by factor z minus 1 to z minus 2. But it is not possible to common z here. It is not possible to common z here. That's why you write a z by z minus 1 plus b z by z minus 2. Look here. It is not possible to common z. It is not possible to write uz by z form. That's why you write az by z minus 1 plus bz by z minus 2. Apply shortcut method. So whenever the denominator is 0, when the denominator is 0, when z is equal to 1. So put 1, z is equal to 1 here, 1 into a. 1 here, 1 plus 1. Don't put here. 1 minus 2. So 1 into a, 2 by minus 1 minus 2. The denominator of bz is 0 when z is equal to 2. Put 2 is equal, z is equal to 2 here also. 2 into b. 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 1. Therefore, b is equal to 3 by 2. So, uz is equal to, substituting ab values here, we get this, take z inverse, okay, minus 2, 1 power n plus 3 by 2, 2 power n, 2 power n by 2, 2 power n minus 1, 3 into 2 power n minus 1 minus 2, 1 power n is 1, so minus 2. This is the way of doing the problem in case of commoning z is not possible. Commoning is z from numerator is not possible. You do like this. Apply shortcut method in this way. Observe the methodology carefully. Problem 7. Find the inverse z transform of z by z minus 1 into z square plus 1. Write your solution. uz is equal to z by z minus 1 into z square plus 1. uz by z is equal to 1 by z minus 1. This can be written as z minus I into z plus I. Multiplying, we get z square plus 1. Factors of z square plus 1 nothing but z minus I into z plus I. So a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus I plus c by z plus I. So shortcut method, a value, put z is equal to 1 here, 1 here, don't put here, so 1 here, 1 square plus 1. So a value 1 by 2. 1 minus I into 1 plus I. That is also 1, 2. So we write this one as this one. That's why you put z is equal to 1 here. 1 square plus 1 is what? 2. B value. How to get the denominator 0 when z is equal to I. Put z is equal to I. 1 by I minus 1 into, don't put here, I plus I. So 1 by 2i into I minus 1. 1 by 2i into I minus 1. C value, z is equal to minus I. 1 by z is equal to minus I. Minus I minus 1 minus I minus I. Don't put here. 1 by minus 2i. Multiplying by minus, we get I plus 1. I plus 1. So uz by z is equal to a 1 by 2 by z minus 1, b 1 by 2i into I minus 1 by z minus I, c 1 by 2i into I plus 1 by z plus I. uz is equal to 1 by 2 z by z minus 1 plus 1 by 2i into I minus 1 z by z minus I 1 by 2i into I plus 1 z by z plus I. So taking z inverse, both sides 1 by 2 z inverse z by z minus 1 plus 1 by 2i into I minus 1 z inverse of z by z minus I plus 1 by 2i into I plus 1 z inverse of z by z minus of minus I z minus of minus I. Left side un is equal to 1 by 2 1 power n plus 1 by 2i into I minus 1 I power n plus 1 by 2i into I plus 1 to minus I whole power n minus I whole power n. So find the inverse z transform of z square plus 1 by z square minus 2z plus 2. So uz is equal to z square plus 1 by z square minus 2z plus 2. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఈ z కామన్ రాదు, కామన్ రాని మోడలే చేయాలి. కాకపోతే ఇది ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కూడా సరిగ్గా రావట్లేదు, కాంప్లెక్స్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. మైనస్ బి ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ బి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac బై 2a వేస్తే 1 ప్లస్ ఐ 1 మైనస్ ఐ అంటే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ z మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ ఐ z మైనస్ 1 మైనస్ ఐ అవుతుంది. uz ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు az కామన్ రావట్లేదు కాబట్టి ఏజెడ్ బీజెడ్ రాశారు. షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్లో జడ్ ఇది డినామినేటర్ ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది, జడ్ బల్ 1 ప్లస్ ఐ పెడితే ఆ జడ్ బల్ ఇక్కడ 1 ప్లస్ ఐ ఇంటూ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ప్లస్ ఐ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1. ఇక్కడ ఇదంటే ఇదే ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్సే. జడ్ బల్ 1 ప్లస్ ఐ పెట్టాం, 2i ప్లస్ 1 బై 2i సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 1 మైనస్ 3i బై 4 వచ్చింది. అలాగే బి వాల్యూ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 1 ప్లస్ 3i బై 4 వచ్చింది. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను. z inverse of uz is equal to 1 minus 3i by 4 z inverse of z by z minus 1 plus I plus 1 plus 3i by 4 z inverse of z by z minus 1 minus I z minus 1 minus I. This is un is equal to 1 minus 3i by 4 1 plus I whole power n minus 1 plus 3i by 4 minus ముందుకు వచ్చింది ప్లస్ ఏ ప్లస్ 1 plus 3i by 4. This is 1 minus I whole power n 1 minus I whole power n. Better to use shortcut methods for getting partial fractions. Otherwise you do intermediate methods. Don't worry.